everyone, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee. I have this Pasquini Livia G4 here. This came in because it was leaking, and I found that the combo valve needed to be replaced. So this is just the old one that I removed. You can see some scale buildup in there too, so I descaled the boiler and removed the water level probes and scrubbed them and removed any debris. So the problem was that the machine was also overfilling because those probes were not accurately detecting the water level. So now everything is working. I'm just going to do a quick demo by showing you the hot water and the steam. So I'm going to put some hot water out from the tap, and then I'll let the machine refill, and I'll show you that I'll still be able to get some steam from the wand. And what that does is it will just tell you that the machine's not overfilling. Otherwise, if it was, you would just see water coming out of the steam wand instead of steam. Okay. There you can see we're still getting steam, and the machine is no longer filling. And yeah, that's about it for this video. So if you like the video, please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button. Thanks for watching.